Today we are working on Excel Lesson 4, Clearing Cell Contents and Formatting. So this is what you should have opened up. And the first thing it says that we will do is use each of the different clear commands to see how it affects the data. So select cells B2 to D2. So from B2 to D2. And on the Home tab in the Editing group, click Clear. Right here, Clear. And then Clear All. Select cells B3 to D3. Click Clear and click Formats. That removes any formatting. Select cells B4 to D4. In the Home tab in the Editing group, click Clear and then Clear Contents. Takes the words out of there but leaves the formatting. Select cells B5 to D5, B5 to D5. Hit the delete key. That accomplishes the same result as what we just did. The clear contents command and the delete key are the same. Select cells B6 to D6. And on the Home tab in the Editing group, click Clear and click Clear Comments and Notes. Oh, excuse me. Let me undo that. Clear and then click Clear Comments. Alright. By comparing one row 1 to the other rows, you can see how different clearing actions affected the cell contents. Now re-enter different data in some of the cells. Enter the following values. Do not use copy and paste. Alright, cell value for B2, we're going to type 9876.543. B4, 98876.543. B5, 9876.543. C2, we're going to type MAR 1 2019. C3, we're going to type MAR 1 2019. C4, MAR 1 2019. C5, we're going to type MAR 1, 2019. D2, we're going to type label. D4, label. Oops, spelled label wrong. And D5. Notice the following. In rows 2 and 3, the clear command removes all cell formats to revert them to default. In cell C3, so it's talking about rows 2 and 3. In cell C3, the date format temporarily reverts to a numeric format until replaced with a new date value, which is displayed in the default Excel date format instead of the date format that was cleared away. In row 2, Excel deletes all the original data, including formatting, and in the cell comment, whereas in row 3, Excel retains all of the original data, even though the date value in cell 3 initially looked odd. In both rows 4 and 5, Excel deletes all the original data except for the cell comments, but Excel retains the individual cell formats. In row 6, Excel deletes only the cell comment. The completed worksheet should look similar to this example. So let's see if ours looks similar to these. You can see all of the stuff. It does look the same. So I'm very confident that we will get this correct. Submit it, submit results, And there's our green check mark. So this completes clearing cell contents and formatting.